start on to how to download and install Windows 10 from USB flash drive. So the things you will need are USB flash drives, either PC or laptop, and especially a good connection of internet. So the first step you will do is you will plug in the USB flash drive. As you can see, it's running right now. Go to Google and search media creation tool. So the first result is download Windows 11. So you press that, then click again download tool now. Then as you can see, it's running right now. There is a message saying applicable notices and license terms. So in the lower part, there is also a watermarks that says active Windows. Go to settings and active Windows. So the lower part of the message, there's a sign, or yes, a sign that says decline or accept. So you will press the accept button. Yes, then create installation, then language English, edition Windows 11, architecture 64 byte or bit rather. So yes, it's running right now. Then go to Windows and yes, file explorer, then this PC, system properties. So check the system type. As you can see, it is 64-bit operating system, so that's a good sign for us. So source properties. So when you finish selecting the language, architecture, and edition, so press the next button. So you will choose which media to use. So either USB flash drive or ISO file. So right now we are using USB flash drive, so we will press the USB flash drive, then press next. So select a USB flash drive, still press next. So as you can see, it is downloading right now. The progress is 2%. So we will wait for how many minutes to finish it.
Once you have your installer inside your flash drive, the third step is to boot your computer with your installer. How do I do that? Well, connect the USB flash drive to your PC. After connecting it, turn on your PC and press the key that opens the boot device selection menu for the computer. These keys may be the escape key, F10 key, or the F12 key. And then, select the option that boots the PC from the USB flash drive. So this will require you to navigate into the BIOS and go to a section that says boot priority and find where you're going to need to move the flash drive up in priority so that you can boot from it in order to install Windows. Once done, the fourth step is to just follow the installation wizard until the setup is completed. So in the setup, you can modify anything that you want and anything that Windows 10 allows you to modify, like language, country, etc. And then you can now install Windows 10 on your computer. Just wait for a few minutes and then it will now be installed.
Step 5. Install or update device drives. Open or navigate the lower left box and find the device manager. As you can see in the best match, click the device manager and click open. As you can see, there are lots of devices that we can update. Examples are the audio inputs, batteries, biometrics, and etc. Click Display Adapters. Left click on this arrow here. As you can see, there is one available device, that is the Intel HD Graphics 615. Right click on it and simply left click on Update Driver. After that, a notification will pop up and say Update Drivers Intel HD Graphics 615. There are two options. Click option 1 since we don't have any driver software to install it manually. Left click and wait a moment. Update done. As it's shown below, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Step 6. Activate Windows 10. So navigate the lower left box search. Go to look for settings. Go to update and security, click activation. As you can see, the windows are not yet activated. So the first thing to do is go to Google. In the search bar, search Windows 10 Activator Text. Now click and copy all. Close the Google and set it as a document. Then paste the text. Then save file as activation.cmp. After it, click save. Important note, make sure your antivirus and Windows Defender should be turned off. Go to settings, then click the Windows security. After it, manage settings. Once it is turned off, now run the CMD file as the administrator and wait for a moment. There you go. Operation completed. To check if it is activated, go to settings. Activation complete. Thank you.